Hi everybody. So today we have Chef Poonam with us, who is available on Tazo platform under the name The Palette. So Chef Poonam, you are often known as Queen of Biryanis, right? So why don't you tell me about a little more about The Palette?
The name. I like variety of food, and I like a lot of food at one time, and that is why I named it palette, because palette is different colors, and I like different colors in my food. So it's got Indian, it's got Chinese, it's got Italian, it's got South Indian. I try and make different types of food.
Since you mentioned that you like different colors in your food and in your life also, so is that like the artistic side of yours? So that's how The Palette?
I am not very colorful in life, but I like my food to be colorful. In life, I'm more of a black, white, gray, blue. But I, as a person, like a lot of variety of food on the table, and I think that's what is pleasing. And food needs to look pleasing, and I think colors anytime is vibrant and pleasing.
That's fair. So on that we can do a cheers also. So this
Cheers.
is chai with chef.
Thank you.
What inspired you to be a chef?
Hmm. I have been cooking ever since I was in class 7th or 8th because my mom's working. Uh, I think people started liking the way I cook. I would like flaunt. I would cook and send it to my friend's place, and then I'm like, and they would be like, "See, she can cook and you can't cook." That appreciation is something that I really enjoyed. Over the years, when I started cooking, people like what I make, and they ask me to make something special for them. Uh, so I thought I should actually do this because it's more of a stress buster for me. So that's how I started cooking, and yeah, here I
Oh,
am.
lovely. So like the kitchen is your sacred place, your happy
Yes,
place.
my happy place.
Ah, that's amazing.
I love.
So who taught you to cook?
Uh, I learned it from mom. Uh, and my cooking is more of the experimental style. So I ask people for their recipes, and if I like something, I ask them how they make it. And then I try and copy how they make. I never succeed in copying, but I come up with my own version, and I think I like that.
That's amazing. So do people come up to you also for biryani recipes?
Yeah.
Ah,
So I have a lot of wonderful cooks in my house. Everybody has got their own specialty. So yeah, when they come and ask for the biryani recipe, I'll be like, I love it.
amazing. So would you say the secret to your recipe is the curiosity factor or your experimentation?
Experimental and curiosity.
Ah,
So
amazing.
I try and understand what are the ingredients by tasting the food. Yeah, that's there.
Oh, lovely.
So
So
we have a guess game. We eat
really?
something and then like yeah. We eat something and then like इसमें ये पड़ा है उसमें वो पड़ा है. That's how we pick things what's there in the
Wow.
food. So yeah.
I think that is a much better dining table conversation rather than just asking what is the capital of this state or country. I think I'm okay with, oh, so it's khaskhas today I'm tasting. That's amazing. So how has your experience been with Tazo?
Amazing, actually good. This is my first attempt to professional cooking, and I think before Tazo, I did not know if I could present food beautifully. I think during the entire photo shoots and all that, I actually learned how to present food because, as I said, this is my first attempt. Uh, I always thought that food that looks good, smells good, is nice, but presentation was never on my mind. So I think Tazo's taught me a lot of things. 'Cause,
Oh,
it was fun. The entire photo shoot journey was like super fun. Keep making dishes every day. And I think my family also had some fun at that time. Like, "Acha hai, aane do, aane do." The sessions that they had, how to go about the pricing, and the kind of boxes we used to pack. Because for people like us who have not done it professionally, and they are something, this is something very new for all of us. So it's a good guidance that we get. I did not know how to price things. Absolutely no idea. So yeah, the sessions were really helpful.
oh, that's lovely. Okay, so let's play something fun. Okay,
Mhm.
I'll ask you a series of questions, and the first thing that comes to your mind, you just have to say it.
Okay.
Okay, no thinking, nothing. Ready?
Ready.
Paka.
Paka.
Okay, awesome. So the first question is, what are the 3 tools in your kitchen that you cannot live without?
Knife, chopping board, and the machine to chop garlic.
So, what is the first word that comes to your mind when I say this? Okay. So let's start off easy. Pan fried noodles.
Chinese,
Spicy.
yum.
Exotic vegetables.
Colorful,
Biryani
vivid,
and tazo.
classes, or learning.
So, what are the three ingredients in the kitchen that you cannot live without?
Salt, pepper, and milk.
Let's play this fun thing which is called Would You Rather. Okay. So let's start off easy. Would you rather go for something sweet or sour?
Sour,
Would you rather go for something spicy or sour?
spicy,
Would you go to sticking with the recipe or would you rather experiment with the recipe?
experiment.
Okay. And would you go for biryani or pan fried noodles?
Pan fried noodles. I love Chinese.
Yay! High five on that.
Chinese.
And my next question is, ki, what is your favorite dish on your menu?
Pan fried, of course. Biryani after that. And I make a lot of salads.
And what is your tip for new budding chefs?
Experiment. Don't stick to the recipes, just experiment.
Okay, lovely. So that was my last question. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Thank you so much for having chai with me.
Thank you.
Cheers on that.